Take a ride in the 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power sunroof, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, trip computer, power windows, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.